UFO. Now, when I say that word, what comes to mind? Flashing lights, hovering cows, and little green men? Could it be true? Yeah, sure. But let's not confine ourselves to harsh generalizations and stereotypes. The only thing you should say when I say UFO is exactly, because that's all they are, unidentified flying objects. Ladies and gentlemen, honorable judges, aliens do exist. But if you're looking in the sky for evidence of life on other planets, you're looking in all the wrong places. Because the strongest proof we have is not in the sky, but rather right here on Earth. Ever since the late 1940s, the US Air Force has been taking in UFO reports. To go more in depth, it was a series of projects named Sign, Grudge, and Blue Book. Project Sign, the first of the three, came to a conclusion that while most of these sightings were just planes or clouds, some of them might be of extraterrestrial origin. Sign's answer was rejected, and soon came along Grudge saying aliens couldn't exist. Impossible. But then came Blue Book, coming to farther research results and almost coming to a conclusive answer on the existence of alien life, until, inevitably, it was shut down, this time because further funding could not be justified. You see, the problem with alien theories are the vast majority of fake sightings therein. I mean, just millions of unsubstantiated, loosely fabricated, dumb sighting reports that only add to the giant vacuum of conspiracy. But that's why you put psychologists and scientists to the test for identification of authenticity. Skeptics don't believe in us most of the time because the truth is, with all these people that either truly believe what they saw or just want fame, we are 90% fake. There's a man named Bob Lazar. Bob Lazar was a scientist who claims to have worked in Sector S4, a testing site near the famed Area 51, where he says he worked reverse engineering alien technology. Now, why haven't you heard of him? To some people, Lazar may have been discredited because he said he attended MIT, a place which has no record of him attending. But what they don't tell you is that he owns and upkeeps a large nuclear testing facility. Yeah. And Snowden told us that the FBI, the CSI, the NSA, all these people have secret agendas in play. Do you really not believe that they could put away one file just to stop mass hysteria and panic? Or just look at the landing in North Hudson Park, a case study where 8 or 9 people all witnessed seeing a UFO at the exact same place, at the exact same time, with the exact same description, with no knowledge or communication with each other. Jojo Barsky, the man who was close to the sightings, heard a large, sharp noise, and that exact same time, a hotel manager who was about to call the cops saw his front glass window break right in front of his eyes, almost as if some sort of warning shot. I mean, do you really think it could be some large coincidence? Think about this. Earth can fit inside Saturn's ring 6 times. Take Saturn's ring, compare it to Saturn. Take Saturn, compare it to the solar system. Why don't you go ahead, take that solar system, go ahead, compare it to the known universe. Feel it in your hands, the weight of it. Kind of makes you feel like Atlas, right? Holding the world up on your shoulders. Take the known universe and compare it to the unknown universe. Now Atlas is just as strong as me. We are infinitesimally small in a universe of seemingly endless possibilities. And yet we have the audacity to believe that we're the only living, intelligent creatures out there? Or that we so easily believe in the Big Bang when it is still just a theory? That's crazy. I don't know. There's not much else I can give you, except maybe the fact that there's no more evidence against aliens than there are for it. I've probably just been watching too much of the X-Files. In any case, to all these thoughts that may leave you wondering why I believe in all these crazy theories, I'll leave you with, appropriately, a quote from the X-Files. If we fail to anticipate the unforeseen or expect the unexpected in a universe of seemingly endless possibilities, we may find ourselves at the mercy of anyone or anything that cannot be programmed, categorized, or easily referenced. Thank you, and remember, the truth is out there.